Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll learn to crochet amigurumi hat with a simple instruction. You can see the basic amigurumi stitches and the basic videos in my channel. The link is in description box. Before going into the video, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. I have used a 3.5mm hook and normal yarn. Begin with the magical circle. From here chain 1, this chain 1 indicate as single crochet, then 5 single crochets around here. Totally we need 6 single crochets along with the chain 1 in this round 1. After that close this circle and insert the hook on the first stitch. Begin round 2. Do 2 single crochets on the top stitch. We will not going to do any split stitch here. After 2 single crochets, mark the first stitch with the marker. Now in each and every stitches do 2 single crochets. Totally we need 12 single crochets in this round 2. After completing 12 stitches, now begin round 3. Remove the marker on the first stitch, 1 single crochet and mark it again. And next is increase stitch, 2 single crochets on the next stitch. Now again 1 single crochet and next stitch. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. We need 18 single crochets in this round 3. After round 3, now again remove the marker and insert the hook on the first stitch and do 1 single crochet on next 2 stitches. On the first stitch mark it. After 1 single crochet in 2 stitches, do increase stitch, 2 single crochet in next stitch. Now again 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Now again 2 single crochet in next stitch. We are going to repeat all over this round. We need 24 single crochets in this round 4. Now round 5, 1 single crochet in each and every stitches. We are not going to do any increase stitch in this round. We will get 24 single crochets in this round 5. Round 6, 1 single crochet in each and every stitches. Repeat the round 5, 24 single crochets in round 6. We are going to make same another piece like this. Fasten off that half piece. Don't fasten off that another half piece. From here we are going to join the 2 pieces. Check out the video for the clear understanding. It's like this. Insert the hook on the top stitch of another piece. Begin round 7. Do 1 single crochet. And then mark the stitch. From here do 1 single crochets in each and every stitches of the first half piece. We need 24 single crochets in the first half. After completing 24 single crochets in first half. Now continue with the second half. Now insert the hook on the second top stitch and again do 1 single crochets and around this stitches. Again 24 single crochets in another half. Totally we will get 48 single crochets in this round 7. Now round 8, 1 single crochet in each and every stitches. Totally we will get 48 single crochets in round 8. Don't skip any stitches. Count each and every stitches. After completing 8th round, now we will close this magical ring. Round 9 and round 10, we are going to do 1 single crochet in each and every stitches, 48 single crochet for each round. We're going to begin our decrease stitch from round 11. First is 1 decrease stitch. Mark the stitch. Now 1 single crochet for next 6 stitches. After that, again 1 decrease the next stitch. Again 1 single crochet for next 6 stitches. We are going to repeat all over this round. We will get 42 single crochets in this round 11. After that, in round 12, 1 single crochet for each and every stitches, 42 single crochets. Round 13, 1 decrease on the first stitch. Then 1 single crochet for next 5 stitches. Again 1 decrease. Again 1 single crochet for next 5 stitches. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. 36 single crochets at the end of this round. Round 14 is 1 single crochet each and every stitches, 36 single crochets. Round 15, first stitch is decrease a stitch. One single crochet for next 4 stitches. Again 1 decrease. Again 1 single crochet for next 4 stitches. To repeat all over this round, 30 single crochets we will get. Round 16, 1 single crochet all over this stitches, 30 single crochets. Round 17, 1 decrease on the first stitch. One single crochet next 3 stitches. Again 1 decrease. Again 1 single crochet for next 3 stitches. Repeat all over the stitches. At the last 24 single crochets we will get in this round. From this stage we are going to fill heart. Spread the filling all over the heart evenly to get the proper shape. The round 18, 1 single crochet in each and every stitches, 24 single crochets. Because of stuffing, it will be very hard to handle the amigurumi. In round 19, 1 decrease. So 1 single crochet for next 2 stitches. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet next to 2 stitches. Repeat all over this round. Round 20, 1 single crochets. Totally we'll get 18 single crochets in this round 20. From this stage, fill the heart completely. If you miss filling somewhere, try to fill it again. Round 21, begin with 1 decrease. One single crochet for next stitch. Again 1 decrease. Again 1 single crochet. Repeat all over this round. Total will get 12 single crochets. In round 22, 1 single crochet all over this round. 12 single crochets. That's all, we have completed our hat. Now fasten off. Chain 1. Leave the long tail of yarn. Cut and pull this chain downwards. Close this circle as shown in this video. Sieve the stitches. Don't pull very harsh. Be gentle. At last, just pull this yarn tail. The circle will get closed. Now secure this yarn as shown in this video. You can use this heart like this, or else you can attach the floral wire like I shown in this video. That's all friends, we have completed our amigurumi heart. It is very easy and simple pattern. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you like the way of my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.